Okay, here we have 4 Heil central air conditioning units. These units are located at the same complex with all the other Heil units I filmed at before, with all these Heils. But these 4 units I've never filmed before, actually, because this is at a separate building, slightly away from all the other buildings. But yeah, here's this Heil unit. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. That's a 3.5 ton from 2007. And then here we have another Heil unit. This one looks newer. I think this one's actually brand new, possibly. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. That's a 3.5 ton from 2022, so yeah, that is practically brand new. And then here are these 2 Heils. Copeland scroll compressor. This one is from 2006, and it's a 5 ton. And I think that one's the same thing. But yeah, just thought I'd make a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.